The nigga, I don't even think he was really serving for a whole month. It may have been. I'm gonna give him a month just to be nice. I'm gonna say he was serving for a whole month. Ended up getting knocked off by the police, by the feds. Not because something he did wrong, because they were watching somebody else around him, and he ended up getting knocked off behind the person that he was watching or whatever. So he get knocked off. He don't even get knocked out with no cocaine. This nigga get knocked out with some fucking heroin. And he told the fucking people, they asked him, because he's so young and dumb and don't know what's going on. They was like, how much would you say you was moving? They baiting the man. They was like, would you say you moving about an ounce? Now, in weed terminology, an ounce ain't nothing. But in heroin terminology, nigga, this nigga said, yeah, I was moving about an ounce a week.